Hello, this is Cartman Productions, and today it's time to give the Minireaper cart a brand new home. Now, this is an absolutely beautiful cart, and it's treated us extremely well. I'm really sad to have to see it go, but it's going to go to a good home. It's going to go to a family that's going to use it more than I'll be able to, and they're going to have a lot of fun with it. But before we give it to them, I want to take this on one last final ride. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to head down the long ride. we just got back from our ride and it's all cleaned up. So let's go ahead and do some detailing, get it looking real nice and stuff. Our hand outlined KM logos on the front and rear. Beautiful shiny Predator 212 engine. This baby looks like it was just purchased off the shelf at Harbor Freight Tools. Our beautiful restored vinyl seat. All the warning labels are there. All of them are polished up. We got the Murray sticker up front. We have our new kill switch right here. Hold down the button and the engine stops. It's all nice and cleaned up back in here too. You can see the wires go into the foam and everything. A little cover over the back of the switch. Seat belt is here. It does function, although it doesn't like to rewind. So it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cart. Whoever gets this will be very satisfied. I could sell this like a new cart. I mean, there's no other real good course of action besides putting it up at a power sports place. And what better place to do it than Ballard Golf and Power Sports? Highly suggest you go and check them out if you are in the North Idaho area. They do a bunch of awesome stuff. They sell KO and High Sun units as well as Arctic Cat and many, many more. They sell Cub Cadet. They sell Cushman. They've got a great supply. So that's where we're going to be putting it. And we'll see if anybody bites. But for now, I'm just going to set it out front of my house with a for sale sign and my phone number on it. And we'll see if we can get a local buyer first. And now, it's time for the ceremony.
I got an idea. Okay.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the first
let's go ahead and deliver this beautiful cart to its new owner. There we go.
Perfect.
There you go. If your tailgate gonna close?
That actually
Just barely.
Looks like it will.
Let's try to remember the just barely fits the bed.
Oh, yeah.
So, look at that.
Strap free.
Yeah, you don't even have to strap it because like it literally goes nowhere. So.
Right. Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir.
Have fun with it.
Yeah.
Let me know if you do any crazy upgrades or anything.
Oh, trust me, you will know. I will keep you informed on that one. We took apart a 110 three-wheeler. We have motors
nice.
sitting. We have the axle for it, and I just started on the front end, but my boys got too antsy, so I'm like, okay, I'll go buy one, and then we'll finish that one later on.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Well, yeah, and then I'll let you know if we do any like mountain meetups or anything.
Okay.
I'll give you a text. What was your name again?
Corey.
Corey?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. Sam.
Yep.
We'll do business with you, sir.
You too.
Yep. Can't wait to see your videos too.
Yeah. Can't wait to see what you do with the thing.
We'll keep you informed.
All right. Have a good one. Now this guy's gonna have a lot of fun with this, and he actually has had a lot of fun with this. Because check out what we found when we went back up to the Horse Haven Airfield in Labor Day. That's about it for this episode. I hope I see him again. I hope I see you again in the next episode. Till then, it's Kartman Productions. Peace out. Next time on Kartman Productions. He could put it in reverse and slam the gas. It wouldn't do a thing to this front bumper. It just shoved the cart backward.
Push us into the Toyota